Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this lovely 2017 Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive coupe that we have for sale. 2017 is a fantastic year for the Q60 because it got a complete ground-up redesign. There's actually no 2016 Q60. They skipped the model year. The old Q60 platform was pretty much the G37. They changed the name for a couple of years, but the real Q60 is a 2017 and later, which is completely redesigned, has this new twin-turbo V6. And it looks like actually I think 2022 is going to be the last model year for the Q60, unfortunately. You know, when the G35 first came out, it was one of our best-selling new Infinitis, but times have changed, and now North America is obsessed with crossover SUVs. We buy more crossover SUVs than anything, and in fact we don't even buy that many sedans these days aside from coupes. So unfortunately this Q60 looks like it will go away. I don't know if Infiniti will come out with another coupe. Hopefully they will. But luckily there's a few nice ones like this in the pre-owned market. This is a local clean Carfax vehicle, 55,542 miles. Who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us? Our techs work on these on a daily basis and are very, very familiar with them. Beautiful aluminum trim. We have a dual display system. The top screen is for radio information, driver's assistance settings, and the rear parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have a drive mode selector here. You can make changes to the transmission, shift points, traction stability control settings, steering effort. You can also drill down yourself and personalize it here, which is really nice. Active trace control brakes individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off, so you can kind of personalize it as well. We have dual zone auto climate control, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, integrated compass, universal garage door opener, nice leather wrapped steering wheel. We have a Bose Performance Series audio system. Really nice color combination on this Hagane blue on stone leatherette. Hagane blue is one of my favorite colors. Unfortunately, they don't offer it anymore. Hagane stands for steel in Japanese, so it's a steel blue, suitable for a vehicle that's built and assembled in Japan. Beautiful styling on the Q60, especially the front end styling. It's absolutely gorgeous. I haven't heard anyone call this coupe ugly. For an engine, we have a 300 horsepower twin turbo V6. In fact, the Q60 shares its platform and a similar engine with a new Nissan Z. The advanced front Midship platform is a sports car drive platform. We've been using Infiniti products for the last 20 years. The reason why they call it the advanced front Midship platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is toward the middle of the vehicle. It just helps the vehicle rotate on its axis a little bit better through the corners, improving the handling and feel. Nice thing about this Q60, it also features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. Luckily it's dry, but it is the fall, and we know we're getting ready for a wet, slippery weather. So this performance-inspired all-wheel drive system will do a great job getting you through the winter time, improving your performance and improving your traction in wet, slippery conditions. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.